If push-ups aren't making you stronger or bigger, it's not because they're ineffective. It's because you're doing them wrong. One simple mistake is killing your progress, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix it. Here's the issue. Most people treat push-ups like a numbers game. More reps, faster reps, tougher variations. But poor form shifts the work away from your chest and arms and dumps stress into your shoulders and neck. That's why you can do push-ups for months and still feel weak or beat up. Push-ups only work when your body moves as one unit. Tension, alignment, and control matter more than how many reps you can crank out. When those are missing, you're just rehearsing bad mechanics. In this video, I'll break down the most common push-up mistakes, how to fix them instantly, and how to perform push-ups so they actually build muscle and strength without joint pain. Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes on their very first rep. Mistake number 1, looking up. It seems small, but craning your neck slightly upward throws your entire spine out of alignment. That little tilt may feel natural, but over time it strains your neck muscles and can lead to stiffness, pain, and even headaches. The fix is simple. Look down. Find a spot on the floor just a few inches ahead of your hands. Keep your head in line with your spine. Your neck will thank you, your posture will thank you, and suddenly your push-ups feel cleaner and more powerful. Mistake number 2, elbows flared out like a T. This is one of the most destructive mistakes for shoulder health. When your elbows stick out 90 degrees from your body, you put your shoulder joints in a vulnerable position. You may feel pressure in your shoulders instead of your chest, and over time, that can lead to tendon problems or impingements. The solution? Tuck your elbows back at roughly a 45-degree angle to your torso. From above, your arms and torso should form a sharp arrow pointing forward. Not only does this protect your shoulders, but it instantly activates your chest and triceps more effectively. Mistake number 3, sagging hips. A sagging midsection may seem harmless, but it crushes your lower back and takes tension off the muscles you actually want to work. That means your chest, arms, and shoulders aren't doing as much as they could. To fix this, engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Keep a straight line from your head all the way down to your heels. No dipping, no sagging. Pretend there's a rod running through your body keeping you perfectly straight. That rod is your form, and it's everything. Mistake number 4, shoulders rolled forward. You might not realize it, but rolling your shoulders forward is one of the biggest form killers. It takes the tension off your chest and puts it onto smaller stabilizer muscles that tire quickly. The result? Weak push-ups, poor shoulder engagement, and a higher risk of injury. Instead, pull your shoulders back and down. Think of trying to pinch your shoulder blades together as you lower yourself. This stabilizes your upper body, puts your chest in the driver's seat, and makes every rep more efficient. Mistake number 5, moving straight up and down like an elevator. Push-ups aren't meant to be a simple vertical lift. If all you do is go straight down and back up, you're missing the subtle forward movement that activates your chest fully. The key is to push slightly forward as you extend your arms, like you're trying to shove the floor away. That small adjustment maximizes activation of your chest and triceps while engaging the core and shoulders naturally. It's a tiny tweak with a huge payoff. Why push-ups are more than just a chest exercise. Now that we've fixed the mistakes, let's talk about why push-ups are more than just a chest exercise. Done correctly, they're a full-body movement. Your chest gets thicker, your shoulders get wider, and your arms get stronger. But the benefits don't stop there. Your core tightens, your spine stabilizes, and your posture improves. You walk differently, carry yourself differently, and even your everyday movements feel easier. You'll notice things like getting out of bed, picking up heavy objects, or even holding a plank feels smoother because your upper body is finally working as one unit. The psychological edge of perfect push-ups. Here's something most people overlook. Perfect push-ups change the way others see you. A strong, controlled push-up signals strength, discipline, and athleticism. When your form is on point, it shows. People notice. You don't need to flex in front of a mirror. Your body speaks for itself. Shoulders back, chest up, core tight. It's not just about muscles, it's about presence. How to train push-ups like a pro. Fixing your push-ups isn't just about spotting mistakes. It's about drilling the right movements consistently. Here's how you can train push-ups to maximize every rep. 1. Warm up properly. Your shoulders, wrists, and chest need blood flow before you start. A quick minute of arm circles, wrist stretches, and shoulder rolls will prime your body and reduce injury risk. 2. Focus on form. Over reps. Fewer reps done perfectly beat 50 sloppy push-ups every time. Lower slowly. Push deliberately. Keep your body rigid and your core tight. 3. Progressive overload. Once your form is solid, challenge your muscles. Add a weighted vest, elevate your feet, or try push-up variations like diamond or archer push-ups. Growth happens when your muscles are forced to adapt. 4. Mind-muscle connection. Feel your chest expand, your triceps contract, your core tighten with each rep. Don't just move your body, control it. Direct tension to the muscles you want to grow. 5. Consistency is everything. One day won't transform your chest, arms, or shoulders. Push-ups require routine. 2 to 3 focused sessions per week can change your upper body in weeks, not months. The common oversight that holds people back. Most people think push-ups are simple, no equipment needed, easy to throw in anywhere. But the reality? Neglecting proper form is sabotaging your progress. Every small mistake compounds over time. Sagging hips strain your back. Rolled shoulders underactivate your chest. Straight-up motion neglects full range of motion. Together, they rob your body of results you should already be seeing. The big picture. Perfect push-ups aren't just an exercise. They're a blueprint for upper body dominance. They strengthen your muscles, stabilize your joints, enhance posture, and improve movement efficiency. They make you look bigger, stronger, and more confident, even without a single rep of bench pressing. And best of all, anyone can do them. You don't need a gym, machines, or complicated routines. You just need to do them right. When you commit to perfect push-ups, something magical happens. Your upper body stops being a collection of separate muscles. Your chest, arms, shoulders, and core start working together as one system. You move with more power, more control, and more confidence. Daily aches vanish, weaknesses disappear, and when people see you, they notice the subtle changes: broader shoulders, stronger chest, tighter core, and a presence that commands attention. Take action now. It's time to stop guessing and start training smart. Fix these mistakes. Engage your muscles properly. Track your reps, perfect your form, and push yourself safely. Don't wait for injuries or wasted months to teach you a lesson. Your push-ups are one of the simplest, most effective tools you have, if you use them correctly. Your next set isn't just another exercise, it's a statement. Shoulders back, core tight, elbows locked at 45 degrees, and push forward with control. Do this consistently, and watch your upper body transform faster than you thought possible. Start today, focus, train smart, and make every push-up count. And if you want more tips that make every workout you do actually work, hit that subscribe button now, because the right guidance turns effort into results, and your next transformation starts here.